Look at this, guys. This elevator's been modded. It's the elevator at 183. Let's see who did it. It's got mad BS. Maybe a Schindler, maybe a ThyssenKrupp. I don't think it's a Schindler, judging by the indicator performance. It's got a new door. Yep, new interior. Nice. Not even gonna bother going down. We're gonna go 3. All right, I hope this has a good motor. The hell? Okay, that was weird. New cab. I'm not a fan of this mod. The Warren was much better. I don't even know who did this mod. Nothing to indicate a brand. Wonder if these floors... Oh, they work! I'm not gonna go down there though, because I think they're blocked. I think that's not good leveling. I don't know why it was modded. It was an old Wheelock 7002T. Damn. Not a fan of this mod at all. Well, there it goes, and there are the stairs. I don't know. 2 fire alarm pulse stations. The heck is that? And then they got, okay, I could see what they did here. They put old fire alarms and new fire alarms. That's weird. I don't know why they did that. I guess this one's inactive, but this one's new. Well, yeah, I'm not a fan of the mod. Well, that's it.